How to create Cube's destruction animation with Blender. First, with default cube, scale it to 0.2, and then apply the scale. Switch to front view. Move the cube so that the bottom left corner is at the center of the axis. Then duplicate using Shift+D, and repeat it with Shift+R. Select all cubes and duplicate it to the left side. Then shift to the side view. Repeat the process. Let's see. The first level is finished. Now create the remaining levels. First, delete the duplicated lights. Now, get back to the front view. Select the cubes. Duplicate it. And then repeat it as much as you want. Let's make it 10 levels. The cube stack is ready. Now set up the camera. Set the resolution to 1080 and 1920. Now switch to camera view. Lock the padlock and then adjust the view. Then unlock the padlock. Now create the floor. Add a mesh plane. Scale it to 20. See, the scale is 20 now. We should apply the scale. Now let's create the ball. Add a UV sphere. Grab it and move it above the cubes. Make the shading smooth. Now set up the rigid body. First select the plane. Add rigid body. Set it to passive. In the sensitivity settings, set collision margin to 0. Now select the sphere. Add rigid body and set the mass to 50 kilograms. Set collision shape to sphere and collision margin to 0. Now click one of the cubes. Oops, I'm sorry, I forgot something. We should make a collection for the cubes. It'll make our life easier. Switch to front view and select all the cubes, and then right-click on the selection. Move to a new collection. Let's call it Cubes. Now the cubes are on their own collection. Now continue the setup. Click on the first cube. Add rigid body, set the collision shape to box, and collision margin to 0. Now we're going to apply it to the rest of the cubes. Right-click on the collection, then choose Select Objects. Now on the Object menu. Choose Rigid Body, Copy from Active. Now your animation is ready to play. Click on the Play button to start the animation. If it's too slow, you can bake it first. The animation is ready. Let's set up some lights and colors. Let's render it. It's quite good. Now let's set up the rendering for the animation. Set Output folder to the desired location. In my case, to the C Temp Animation. Set media type to video. And change encoding container to MP4. And output quality to highest. Now you're ready to render your video. Something wrong, the animation not working. I forgot to bake the rigid body. Let's bake it first. Go to Scene. Rigid Body World, Cache. And click Bake. And wait until it's finished. Now the physics animation is baked and ready to render. Let's render it. And here's the result. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.